welcome to my channel. I hope everybody had a festive holiday and is ready to welcome in the new year. I practiced writing 2026, sure enough, and so anyhow, I was like, let's get together, let's just do a quick flowing into the new year kind of thing. And this morning I was sort of in a steampunk state of mind, right? So I took those leftovers from the steampunk video I did where I was using my dies to cut out the steampunk stuff and the mushroom just because I wanted to throw it in and have some fun. And I took my trim and I went on the internet and I started looking for steampunk words. So I stamped them on here, right? Stamped them on the front of this one, and this one I did the front and the back, and no, I didn't. I did this one, and then I thought, well, what if I want to write my words this way? So I thought by turning my stamp around, I was doing something spectacular, but I wasn't. However, if you wanted to do them this way, you would just have to do them one at a time. Like you would have to come on here and do your Z, and then do your E. You would have to do them one at a time. Well, I wasn't up to that because I just wasn't. So anyhow, I did Zeppelin and Cog on these ones. And then later on, I'll just come in and cut them. And I'll put them in a little Ziploc bag. And I'll put them with my steampunk stuff. So then my mind got to churning and turning and wondering. And I had made these on my Cricut Maker. And the idea was to make charms with them. I'm not even there yet. We're just still on steampunk stuff. So what I'm going to do is off camera, I'm going to get the because I made 3 sizes. I made this size, excuse me, and then I made, well, I know I made 3 sizes. Yeah, I think it was this one, and then this one, and then, no, just this one, and then I cut the center out of one. That's what it was. So anyhow, that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put something behind the charm. And then I'm going to come in and put something, you know, just a little extra something on it. I don't know. I'm going to play with these. And I'm going to spray them so they don't look so see, they got this color on the back. That might work. Anyhow, I'm going to come in and I'm going to punch the center of those out. And then I'm going to keep the little wheel that comes out of it, excuse me, and I'm going to glue it to the side. So that was the plan for those, and I'll show you those when I come back. Okay, and that was about it. I did get some gifts for Christmas, artistic type gifts. My kids all know me, and I have some stuff I'll show you later on. But for now, I'm just going to be working on the steampunk things. And then when I come back in the next video, I'll show you how they turned out. And I want to invite you guys to stay tuned, stay with me, because I've got some really cool projects coming up in January. And I've also got some really, really nice stuff coming up in February. And I just wanted to thank all of you who have recently subscribed to my channel and got me over 1,000. And for that, now we're going to do a giveaway. So probably, I'm going to guess about 2 weeks from now. Again, excuse me. About 2 weeks from now. Let's say, because, well, no. Let's say, let me look at my calendar while you look at my mess. I'm sorry to do that to you guys. But let's say calendar. January 2026 calendar. I'll get it for you here in a minute. Oh, that didn't work. All right, so here we go. I have it here. I made these with, I'm trying out homemade air dry clay. So these are, look, that one turned out nice. I'm just waiting for them to dry really well. That side looks like a mess, but it worked. Been looking for Lenora. Got a couple of things I need to find. All right, we are actually, honestly, the 27th today. So I would like to do my giveaway January 9th, right before I leave to go on training. So January 9th or 10th, probably the 10th. Let's circle the date. January 10th, I'm going to be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So please watch this channel until the very, very end, right as I say goodbye, and you'll know why. So, long story short, stay tuned. We are going to have a giveaway. I am going to celebrate. And then, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for now. I really, like I said, appreciate all of you for sticking around, being with me for this whole last year, joining me for the next new year. All right, guys, have a great rest of your week. And you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one.